Hey guys, welcome back to another great video on how you can make money online. Today I'm gonna show you a video on how you can make 200 to 400 USD per week by just chatting. This is Chris with MarketIntelligence.com, and if it's your first time on my channel, make sure you go ahead and click the subscribe button because I want you to be part of my channel. It would be a great honor to have you guys. I learn a lot from you as well. So make sure you click the subscribe, the bell notification next to you so you can receive a notification for the videos I release for you every single day. And with no further ado, let's go ahead and start today's video, guys. Really excited to show you this one. The website I'm gonna talk about today is called thechatshop.com. You can get the links below, so you don't remember the name, you can just click and we'll bring you to this homepage. And guys, what you're gonna be getting and what you're gonna be doing here for this website, as you can see, this website is hiring people like you and me in order to chat, to provide support on different websites, in order to answer questions, help people and so on a live chat support service. So it happens alone when you go into a specific website, shopping site and so on, and you see there on the right side there is a pop-up window coming and say, how can we help you? This is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be answering questions for users on different sites. So these different companies are outsourcing this chat support to different companies like the chatshop.com, and the chatshop.com is looking for people to work around the clock in different countries for making this support service. So they want to make sure that they provide real people, real conversations in order to achieve 99 customer satisfaction, which is also an amazing thing to do. Now, you're going to ask me a couple more questions about how this works. So what I want you to do in order to answer your question is to click on the About Us menu on the top right side and then go to Careers. One second to load up. And this is where you're going to be interesting to get some money, because we want to get some money out of these guys. We want to work and gain some extra cash, work with us. So this is what they are looking for: live chat jobs, copywriter, sales development, and representative. You can look into these two as well, but what I would like you to do, because it's much easier to do it, is to click on the live chat jobs, find out more, and it will bring you to this page. Now you can look at them and see how everything works. Here is a little bit of what the explanation of the job is. What I would like to highlight here is that you need to be able to work 10 to 40 hours each week. So they have a minimum of hours, guys. You cannot just do this for 1 hour, and they pay approximately 10 USD per hour for the work you do. So if you're able to work with 20 hours, you're going to get $200 per week. If you're going to get 30, 300, 40, 400 and so on. Location, which is the second number question I get. Location isn't important. Big part of the team is. The very important thing for them is that you are able to type 80 or more words per minute, error-free, and that means you are good in English and you are able to type something good there. If you want to test how good and your English and your test is, you can click on this link here and run a little bit of test, and so you can see if this is for you. Now you have to be good in English, you have to be good in typing, and you are able to apply and participate for this program. So this is what I want to show you guys. It's a very nice way, because you can work from your laptop behind your screen, just chatting. You don't have to do videos, you don't have to interact with anybody on voice, video. It's just chatting, helping people out, which is always a very nice thing to do. You can do this even if you work for another company and you have some free time. You can load this and be able to have the chat on your PC, and if somebody start to ask questions on, you are able to get the pop-up and start doing this on your own time. You can do this from home. You can do this if you are flexible doing from your existing job. So it depends on you and your schedule and how heavy you are load this on your current position. So this is what I want to show you guys today. Go ahead, give it a shot. If you come back to careers and scroll down, interested, you're able to say apply online and join our team. Go take it from there, and you are able to send your application to start working for these guys. So this is what I want to show you guys today. Very nice way, and 200 to 400 USD per week is a very, very nice, legit income. Very good amount of money. It can help you definitely with some bills and so on. So go ahead and give it, and hopefully this is something that you are able to do and you like. Now, as always, even if you follow this one, my number one recommendation for passive income from the comfort of your house, click my number one recommendation below, guys. I would like you to go ahead and take a quick look. It's free to join. You can join from around the world, and you can make some passive income, money coming in at all times. So this is what I want to show you guys today. I hope you like the content of this video. If you did, don't forget to click the thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's make some money. Thank you, guys. Enjoy your day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.